Hi everyone, welcome to the STAT programming. Today I'm talking about how to get SAS Base Certification. So, my favorite resource to learn Space SAS is Penn State online course for SAS. Click this website. You can see this website gives you really good knowledge about base SAS. The reason I like it because it has really concise explanations for SAS knowledge, and it has really a good amount of examples. Just click one for you. As you can see, this website is really robust. It doesn't look like a book. I don't like a book because usually a book has lots of information but not concise. But here it gives you lots of good examples and concise, and you have more control about uh, where you learn, and you can search, you can full screen. Anyway, so after you learn this 480, you just change to 481. These two courses. Here you have uh, this SAS output, do loop, reading SAS data, and other knowledge. So make use of these two courses. So after you learn the two courses, and then you go to Google and search these keywords, and then you will have lots of exam questions with the answers explained. And then you probably just take a few weeks and get your base certification passed. You don't need to get 90% or 100%. You just need around 70% is good enough for you to pass the exam. And with this certification, your degree, and then your first job, you are good to go.